Hello everyone, I am really excited today to make an announcement and also showcase something that you're going to find very interesting, and let us get started. So, I have this product right here called 25 Spray. 25 Spray, probably for a number of years, has been one of the most talked about, if not one of the most used pre-styling sprays. And I have had this product for a number of years now, and it was actually created a long time ago to outperform an already over-the-counter type of product, and I think, in my opinion, it did that. Now, 25, I named it 25 simply because it has 25 hair benefits to this spray. 25 amazing hair benefits. One of the most unique products in my lineup, and I think it's absolutely fantastic. Now, what is the big announcement? What's the big surprise? So over the years, I've gathered some data, some comments, some suggestions, some feedback from people, and I have decided to update and upgrade 25 Spray. Now, how on earth could I possibly make something that's already amazing that much better? Well, it's been done after rigorous testing and back and forth and change this and change that, or it's not perfect. Being a Virgo, first of all, and as a perfectionist, I'm out of control. Second, being a hairstylist, I know exactly what I'm looking for when I want something to do what it needs to do as far as hair products go. It didn't feel right on the hair. All right, let's make this change. No, it's not where it needs to be. It has to be better than the original. We can't. So this updated formulation of 25 Spray literally is probably, I know for a fact, is better. It feels almost identical to the original 25 Spray, but we've made some very important changes. First of all, the spray, okay? Now here's the old 25 Spray right here, and if you still have them, it's still an amazing product. Not to say anything, it's still incredible. But what would happen is, when you would first spray it, it would shoot out almost like a laser beam sometimes, right? If you didn't press, it was like, whoa, way too, it was almost like a stream of liquid coming out of the package. So we've updated that and upgraded it, where now you just press it and it's got a much better, easier mist. You don't have to worry about the missile coming right at your head when you spray it, okay? That's the first thing. So the pump has been updated and upgraded, so much better spraying properties. The next thing are the ingredients. So in the original 25 Spray, there were a lot of ingredients that simply we felt were a bit overkill to some extent. Some of them were becoming way too difficult to get. Pricing increased dramatically. Some of the things we just felt like, okay, what are they really doing? So what we've done is we've actually gotten rid of some of the ingredients and replaced them with even more beneficial ingredients. Okay, now there's even biotin in this. We have some more extracts in this, more proteins in this that, in all honesty, is better for the hair. It's much better even than before. So you're still getting those 25 amazing benefits. You're just getting a lot better performance out of this, okay? And it's not just filled with a bunch of ingredients just because they sound nice and they were great, but I wanted to condense it down and just improve upon the performance with better ingredients that do more, okay? So we still have those 25 benefits, just now they're being done with some of the same but better ingredients. So now let's talk about how you can use this. If you've never used 25 Spray before, it's a life-changing product, and I can tell you it literally is identical to the original, but in my opinion, better, because I did side-by-side testing. Phone calls, no, it's not right, it needs to feel more like this, it needs to feel more like that. 25 simply is a pre-styling spray that has a lot of benefits to it. It could be used, say you get out of the shower, your hair is damp like this, your hair is full of knots, your hair is feeling very dry, your hair feels a little bit frizzy sometimes, it lacks a little bit of moisture, you feel your hair needs a little more volume, you feel that your style isn't really staying in place all day, you need maybe some heat protection or some sun protection, You want to be able to detangle the hair a lot easier. Maybe you're a hairstylist, a professional, and you want to be able to spray this in the hair as a cutting lotion. It helps keep the hair nice and moisturized while you're cutting. And the list goes on and on and on and on. It's an amazing setting spray. So that's how you use this. In damp hair, it's literally a pre-styling. The first thing you spray in your hair is this, 25 spray. This is the foundation of all sprays right here. So what I've done with this mannequin head, just to show you, I literally took a towel and mangled this thing to where it's all knotted and all sorts of crazy. So if you have, and this happens a lot, a daughter or someone in the house who has just super crazy curly hair, or just so thick and the hair always knots up and you just have such a hard time, you can't find this product, and I've used this in salons when I first came out with this, when I was still working in a salon. This was literally impossible to keep in stock. I would spray this on the hair and literally in seconds brush through all the knots. So if you need a simple detangling spray for your kids, this is it. If you need it for yourself, this is it. If your hair feels dry, this is it. So what I have here is a mannequin head. I'm going to spray some 25 spray in, 3, 4, 5 spritzes. All right, 5 nice, easy spritzes. And also there's one thing and the last thing that I've changed too, which I'm going to save best for last. 5 spritzes in the hair. I've got a vent brush. I always suggest using a vent brush, which I do sell this. This is an anti-static vent brush with a rubber handle. This is plastic, but this is a rubber handle, so it's easy for gripping. I've been selling this for a long time, and they sell like crazy. Use this. Never, ever, ever use a hair cutting comb to get rid of knots. You're just going to rip hair out. So here we go. All right, look at this. Literally, less than 5 seconds, I just combed through this. And I took a towel, and I went crazy trying to make this thing all matted, and look at this. Within seconds, there's no knots. Within seconds. Now, what's great about this is when you spray it through the hair, you are going to instantly feel that amazing, it's like putting in like an awesome hand lotion onto your hair. It is immediately working, Then when you go to blow dry your hair, you could even use just this if you want. It really helps smooth the hair out, gives the hair nice volume, adds thickness to the hair. If you need it, if you don't need thickness, then fine. That's just to make your hair look that much more healthier. But it's got so many amazing benefits. And the last thing I want to share with you is the scent. Now, I am a fragrance fanatic, all right? I've changed and updated and did so many things to my fragrances. I've gotten some feedback on the original 25 fragrance, but this fragrance, when I tell you, oh my God, it is the most, and I know this could be a bit extreme, the most seductive, sophisticated, airy, light, like fresh fragrance you will ever smell. This stuff literally is incredible. And I tested out, I would say probably 20 fragrances to finally get this down right. And you're gonna start seeing the reviews, because I'm gonna have people, I'm gonna send this out to some people and just go ready for their reaction. But when I tell you, this is basically like taking a super high-end car and making it like even more high-end. This, I couldn't be more proud of it. I spent so much time. Cody and I, from Flagship, we worked on this together, and he's been making a lot of my products. I trust him now. I'm very fortunate to be able to work directly with him in the way that we do, because I'm an absolute crazy lunatic when it comes to this stuff. And he's very, very patient, and I think we have a great relationship together to make these incredible products for you. This was a huge undertaking, and we were able to accomplish it after a lot of back and forth. I thought he was going to kill me at some point, but it was worth the wait. We are shipping these out now. Slightly new packaging. You're basically still getting the 4 ounces, and it's just a huge upgrade. So I can't even, the scent, oh my God, I just cannot believe the fragrance on this. All right, so if you are interested in purchasing this or my blow dryer or my vent brush or any of my products, please use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Even beyond that, you get free shipping on orders over $60. So it's kind of some cool perks. All right, so listen, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know how excited you are about this. You're not going to regret it. You're going to love this, and I'll see you soon.